slipped on sand and felt the winter sea dew, and watched this country living wing on by. The city lights grew nearer to my garden, as many classic moments right on high. And young men, they dream to ride the sunset, content on evening smiles of weary bones. From miles around, they come to touch the legend, saying goodbye to where I come from, oh, this is home. Well, so long, my loved one, you found somebody fine. They say you've gotten married and toast the sweetest wine. Goodbye, you are freeway 405. I'm going on to let the waters rest themselves on me. They're traveling through this world, restless searching, seeking out the tides where time began. But Lord, I swear I hear those calling waters, beckoning this life, my ocean friend. Well, so long, my loved one, you found somebody fine. They say you've gotten married and toast the sweetest wine. Goodbye, you are everywhere, 405, I'm going on to let the waters caress themselves on me. When I grow old and reminisce my fortunes, and why I left my loved one far behind, I'll lay myself beside these calling waters. My many classic moments have gone by. Well, so long, my love, you found somebody fine. As many classic moments right on high.
As I travel from place to place, some familiar and some strange, to hear the ancient chantings of our home. As I've listened to the stories, my eyes have seen the glory. So let us raise our voice in song to save our land. All Hawaii stands together. It is now and forever to raise your voices and hold your banners high. We shall stand as a nation to guide the destinies of our generations, to sing and praise the glories of our land. Within stone walls, the cities of refuge, we learn the sacred ways. Upon Waipi'o's valley floor, the ancient battles rage. From the barren slopes of Kaho'olawe to the shores of Kahana Bay, we shall claim our lands from the barking sands to the valleys of Hanalei. All Hawaii stands together. It is now and forever to raise the voices Tutupele, I hear my mother's call. Oh, Tutukane and Mauna Kea send their love to all, to stand as one beneath the sun. Blessings from Haleakala for our sweet Kahala, and by Ale Ale where the greatest waters fall. Hawaii Iloa, Kuli ke kako, Kuba ame kalokahi e, Kukala me ka viva ole. Oni pa akako, oni pa akako, alana kilana kini e ola, e ola, e ola na kini e. Hawaii Iloa, Kuli ke kako, Kuba ame kalokahi e, Kukala me ka viva ole. Oni va akako, oni va akako, alana kilana kini e ola, e ola, e ola na kini e. Hawaii Iloa, Kuli ke kako, Kuba ame kalokahi e, Kukala me ka viva ole. Oni va akako, alana kilana kini e ola, e ola, e ola na kini e. E ola, e ola, e ola na kini e. E ola, e ola, e ola na kini e. E ola, e ola, e ola na
and Ohana. My papa said that we didn't need money to live in a town called La Ie. We used to laugh and play in the Ie Bay and surf at Gold Island. Now I see all my childhood friends and they say that we're proud to be Hawaiian. Hawaiian boy, we're proud to be Hawaiian. Hawaiian boy, we're proud to be Hawaiian. We used to go to my grandma's house where she would pick banana bread that would melt in your mouth, and my papa would be outside patching all his coconuts with the screen box on the side. Grateful to play in the sun, grateful to play in the waves in this place we call Hawaii. Now I see all my kid time friends we all know, and we're proud to call this Highland home. Hawaiian boy, I'm proud to be Hawaiian. Hawaiian boy, we're born to be Hawaiian.
Take me to the island of my choice and watch me run. If you will give me a minute and I will tell you where I'm from. It's a city down in the country that represents me. This place that I am talking about is L.A.I.E. I'm from La Ie.
Hawaiian boy, proud to be Hawaiian. Hawaiian boy. My dad would teach me to cook in the imu. He would make sure I knew how to survive here without him. My mom would always teach me love and respect when I was young. Hey, we used to go to Papa Noelu's house where he would sit down in his folly and say, "Awoke ula vale." The Ie boys were teaching love and respect in the youth, 'cause I was raised to be Samoan.